Hey, what is up? This is Tyler Pratt. So you're on YouTube, maybe I know you're on YouTube right now and you're watching these videos, but you're still trying to figure out how you can actually make money with YouTube. In this video, I'm actually going to show you some income proof, how you make money, with YouTube. I'm going to show you how you can make money with YouTube without actually, creating your own content for YouTube. It's very simple. You just got to know the strategies. You got to know the websites that you got to go to in order to make this work. So in this video, if you stick around at the end, I'll show you exactly how to do that. Now, before we jump into this though, make sure you hit that link in the description below, because what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna send you my #1 recommended opportunity right now online. It's gonna help you make passive income, maybe $200 or $300 consistently coming in to you. So you just gotta hit that link and I'll send that off to you. Also, there's gonna be a subscribe button and a bell below this video. If you hit both of those, then what I'll do is I'll notify you of any video and you won't miss any of them. All right, so making money on YouTube, it's one of the things that anybody can do. You can get up, get your channel, get up and get running with it. And in this video, I'm actually going to show you some of the things that you can start with. Now, there's one great thing that YouTube allows anybody to do, and it's a thing called Creative Commons, where you can take somebody else's video and you can re-upload it. But there's been a lot of confusion in some of the videos that I've done in the past where people actually have taken the whole video, just downloaded and re-uploaded it right away. And I've told people you got to change it up a little bit. You can't just have the exact same video file. So if you put some music on the end, maybe spin it around a little bit, then what it's going to do is it's going to become a unique video to you. So if you're not familiar with Creative Commons, it's videos that are available for anybody to use. You can download them and you can upload them to your computer. So let me show you kind of what I am talking about and how you can change this up a little bit. So you have your file that you download from YouTube. So you have this video file and you download it from YouTube to your computer. This is your little computer here. And then you just re-upload that same file. So if this is 1 minute, this is 1 minute. Well, it's the exact same thing. And YouTube's gonna look at this new video here and it's gonna say, well, it's the exact same video. Then we'll probably reject it or we just won't even give it any traffic. So what you wanna do is with any of videos, you wanna download the video and then you want to kind of add your flavor or your spin to it. You can do this by adding some different music to it. You can add some end parts or beginning parts to the video. What I want to do and show you in this video is actually how to download a bunch of clips like this. Okay, so these are video clips, mash them together, put some new music onto it, and then you output this as a brand new video. So taking little clips of videos and mashing them together and then outputting them to YouTube like this. When you do this, it's a unique video. You can add your own flavor to it, but you don't have to really create any of the content, which is great because you can actually use content that other people have used because it is in the Creative Commons area. So if you want to get some information on this, you go to YouTube Help and you just type in Creative Commons. You can read all about it in any of the videos and I'll show you how to find these videos for this. So when I recommend doing this, I always like to go for gaming videos because there's so much content with gaming videos out there, and you can find so many out there. So like, let me do top GTA 5. Let's do top GTA 5 fails. So what these are videos that have actually been compilated together. So people will go find videos and they'll find funny fails and they'll clip them up and they'll put them into new videos. So if we look at like top 200 best GTA fails. So this video right here has been clipped together and it comes up with the funny GTA, GTA 5 is Grand Theft Auto, which is a great it's a great video game that people are playing. But what happens is a lot of times people will go to channels and there'll be a long, like an hour worth of gameplay. Well, during that gameplay, you can clip up some of those videos and put them into your own video and add some spin to it. So Prestigious Clips, you can see they're like 4.3 million subscribers. It's huge. Okay, so what you can do is you can just go and if you just go to GTA 5, You can see all kinds of of videos that people are using, that are playing. They're putting this content online, a lot of it, and you can just take these videos and you can splice them up, add in your own flavor to it, add some music to it, create a unique video. So if you look at here's a video, here's a compilation. Like Prestigious Clips has a ton of video clips that they put together of other videos that people have put up. They have 4.3 million subscribers. So what you want to do is, if you're going to create your own clips, then you want to take your own clips and add in some copyright-free music to it. So if you go to copyright-free music on YouTube, you'll see this one. This is no copyright sounds. So you can take any of these songs right here and you can add them to your videos, and you won't get any, you won't get any problems from YouTube. So you can totally take these songs and you can do what you want with them, and you can add them to your own videos. So when you download videos, you download a bunch of different clips and you can splice them up. And when you splice them up, then you create basically a brand new video out of the spliced up content. And you can use a website called Animoto, which is an online, it's an online video maker. So you can put in the clips, you can add some music to it, and you can output a new file. I also recommend people using Final Cut Pro, which is right on, you can use it on a Mac. And you can use, you put all your clips in here and you put your music underneath the clips right here and you output this as a new file. So it's really easy just to take the clips, mash them together, and make your own video from it. Okay, so I know a lot of people are getting confused on the, just taking videos and downloading them and re-upload them. And I want to make sure you understand that if you just change up just a little bit of the video, if you add in some endpoints and front points, then you make a unique video for it. But you're going to need some editing software to do this, and you can use both of these. You can also use Camtasia. ScreenFlow is another good one to use for that. So you look at Social Blade and you look at Prestige Clips. You can see that they do close to 600,000 video views every day. They're adding about 2,000 new, about 1,600 new subscribers every day for it. But you look at the income right here. We're looking at 5 to almost 80,000 K in estimated earnings. I'm guessing they're probably making closer to the high end of this on a monthly basis. So just by splicing up clips from other people's videos with Creative Commons, you could create some huge income for yourself just from that. So 77.4K is on a monthly basis is a lot of money. So then when you go and you find GTA 5 videos, you want to click on Filter, and you want to go to Creative Commons like this. So when you click on Creative Commons, all of these videos that are in the Creative Commons, you can take and you can do what you want with them. You can, a lot of these are, you can see like 23 minutes here. This is 21 minutes. There's going to be a lot of good content in there that you could download, splice it up, and then create your own video from that. Add some music to it. You don't need to be on camera. You don't need to speak, anything like that. Just have a cool looking title. Maybe have a cool looking thumbnail. You could use Canva for that, and then re-upload that video back to your channel. And you could create a full gaming channel, and you never have to create, you don't even have to own a gaming, system. You just can take clips from other people's games, spice them up, and make them your own. And you can do this with any type of games. There's tons of games out there that come out. There's that Red Dead Redemption, I believe it's called. It's a new game that just came out. You can totally splice those up. If you wanted to get into a different niche, just find Creative Commons videos, splice them up, add in some cool music to it, maybe add in some text on the end, text on the front, and then make the video your own, and then you can upload that to YouTube. And I suggest you do this on a consistent basis, because over time, your channel is going to start to pick up some traction. You're going to start to get a ton of new subscribers, and it's going to grow from there. You can look at some of these, like this right here. They have 990,000 subscribers. Right here, this one is 1.2 million subscribers, 42,000 subscribers, 600,000 subscribers, so 300,000 subscribers. So these are big channels, and they've created tons of content. So just grab some of these videos, use the Final Cut Pro or use one of these editing softwares, make your video your own, re-upload your new video with the content that you've grabbed from the Creative Commons, and now you're good to go. And so what you can do is you can, with Google AdSense, you can start getting ads from your videos. You can also create t-shirts or mugs or hats or anything like that, and you can sell those right from your YouTube channel. So there's lots and lots of ways that you can make money from your YouTube channel. But first, you want to make sure you get the content going, get the videos out there, get them up on YouTube, and get them rolling, so where you can start, earning the income that you want. It's really all the effort that you put in is how you would build your channel. Okay. So there's really no excuses for anyone, I think, that to say, well, I can't make a channel of my own. I don't know how to make content. Just take Creative Commons, splice it up, add in your own music, add in your own text you want to it, re-upload that. It's a new video. You've made it. It's your own video. You put it on your channel, and then you're going to start growing as you create more and more content for your video. That's it. That's all you got to do. That's how you make YouTube money without actually creating the physical, or creating the content yourself, original content on YouTube. Now, if you want to get some information though on passive income, hit that link in the description below. I'll send you my #1 recommended opportunity right here online. If you like this video, click on the like button, share it with your friends, comment below, let me know how I can help. This is Tyler Pratt. Hope you enjoyed that, and we'll see you on the next one.